spray to wash delicate stemware or fine china in your dishwasher? With LG Dual Control Cycle, you can clean your delicate dishes while power washing heavy-duty pots and pans with dual zone wash. Powered by the inverter direct drive motor, this option allows you to vary the spray intensity in upper and lower racks. Adjust water jet intensity to clean all types of dishes from fragile glasses to heavy-duty pots in a single load. Loading the dishwasher can sometimes feel like a jigsaw puzzle. Trying to load dishware of different sizes and shapes can be a challenge. With LG dishwashers, load the dishes your way. Folding tines let you fit dishes wherever you want, whether it's a pan on the top rack or a bowl on the bottom. With one touch, you can adjust the height of the upper rack to 3 different levels to accommodate taller items on any rack. The height-adjustable third rack gives you more space for hard-to-fit items, from long flatware to small espresso cups. Enjoy hassle-free loading of all dishware shapes and sizes. Tired of your noisy dishwasher? LG's inverter direct drive motor was designed with quiet in mind, compared to the dishwashers in its class. With fewer moving parts, you get not only reliable performance, but also better energy efficiency. Count on your LG dishwasher for years to come with a 10-year limited warranty on the inverter direct drive motor. Enjoy your quiet evening without noisy interruptions. Is your dishwasher cleaning all of your dishes, even those hard-to-reach nooks and crannies? With LG Quad Wash, clean all of your dishes sparkling clean the first time. With 4 spray arms instead of 2, LG Quad Wash also includes multi-motion arms that rotate back and forth while spinning, providing enhanced coverage to clean every dish on every rack. It also gets things done faster, with its turbo cycle cleaning every dish in a mere 59 minutes. No matter the shape or size, you can get your dishes spotless with LG dishwashers. It's not easy to remove stubborn food pieces from the dishes in just a single cycle. And it must be irritating to see water spots on your glasses, even after a run through the dishwasher. LG's TruSteam uses high-temperature steam to melt away baked-on, caked-on food from your dishes. TruSteam is powerful, yet gentle, suitable for both heavily used pots and pans, as well as delicate glassware, and reduces the need to pre-wash your dishes. With its upgraded drying performance, TruSteam washes your dishes sparkling clean with 50% less water spots. No matter the type of food, LG dishwasher will maintain your dishes more clean and hygienic with fewer water spots.